How you doing, bud? I'm all right. You okay?
Good morning. I think I might have eyes on a suspect of a recent burglary and a robbery and assault on the hilltop.
Okay.
I'm at the corner of Ogden and West Broad Street at the Mobile Safeway gas station.
Is that where the person is?
Yes, he's headed eastbound on West Broad Street at Ogden.
Okay. What's this person look like?
African-American male. Looks like he has a medical boot on his foot, which was one of the descriptors in the surveillance video shared.
Was he wearing like a jacket?
Yeah, brown jacket, black pants. He's got long dreadlocks. His brown jacket does have a hoodie.
Okay. We have his number or anything?
Nothing's on the run. Let me see if I can find anything that says it was at Alex Market.
We're not aircraft Broad Wilson.
Alright, I'll add into the number. Hold on. Looks like it happened yesterday around 6:45, saying 2 individuals via strong arm. The female was assaulted by someone that took her purse. Hold on. So then, when we got out there, they said it was a 14. At that point, all they had was a male black. Hold on. Male black, dreads, tall, dark clothing, orthopedic boot on his right foot, limping pretty bad. They saw that on the camera.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
How you doing, bud? I'm all right. You okay? Oh, you're just wearing 2 different colored shoes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Somebody called because they thought you looked like a suspect out of...
Oh, okay.
Did I stop you yesterday?
No, I'm actually new to this area.
Okay, yeah,
I'm staying at Miles' house on the group home.
It was a different person that I stopped yesterday. Let me tell radio that it's okay.
Okay.
190.
Yeah, I have a butterfly on my face, and I have a tear drop on my face.
This guy is not wearing a boot. He's wearing 2 shoes that are not the same color.
Alright, so far, if you guys could head to this third floor, probably going to be medical, about 405 South Harris. So the neighbor at this out came and asked about college squad, didn't say why.
190, I'm still here talking to him. Leave me on.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, there was a stabbing down on Solvent.
Really?
Yeah, and the suspect, it might make you laugh, is a tall, male black with dreads with a orthopedic boot on one foot. So when someone drove by and they saw your shoes, different colors, they thought you were wearing a boot. You know, so they thought you might have been my stabbing suspect.
Okay.
Clearly you're not.
No, sir. No, I promise I'm not.
I'll give you one of these.
Definitely.
I don't want to spread colds around.
Yeah.
What's your name, bud?
I'm Bradley Robinson Jr.
Bradley Robinson
Yeah.
Jr.? I'm
Bradley.
Officer Badger, man. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, Officer
How
Badger.
long you been living out here now?
I've been staying out here. I just moved over to Miles' house about 2 days ago.
Oh, okay.
So,
you from Columbus area?
I'm from North Columbus and West Akron, Ohio.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
I grew up kind of up that direction.
Yeah.
So, what brought you down here?
I just wanted to come be closer to my kids, honestly.
Oh, you got kids down here?
Yeah, yes, sir.
They live out here on the west side anywhere?
They stay on the north side on Bremen.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you're in a group home or
Group home right here at Miles' house.
But you can walk around and do whatever you want mostly.
Yeah, but I just don't do nothing but come out for my block of miles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How long? It's been a couple weeks that you lived out here.
Just a few days, 3 or 4
Okay.
For a day.
Well, just be careful out here. Like this particular gas station, we do have some problems here sometimes.
I can tell. I usually try to come here and just hurry up and leave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alrighty, man. Well, I'll see you around. I'm going to get on to other things.
Okay. God bless you. God bless you.
Take care, bud.
Good job, sir.
Nice meeting you.